my mum's gonna be doing this shopping that I bought with my dad and little baby brother.
So Neva was gonna do the haul, but she's decided that she's gonna go upstairs and do some maths with Caleb. So I'm doing food shop from Tesco. Ryan got it and he spent £97 for the week for a family of 5. Also, I wanted to give another shout out. I mentioned in my last video that a girl called Millie asked for a shout out, and then I said if anybody else wants one, then to let me know. And Kathy from Australia wanted a shout out, so thanks so much Kathy for watching. And also my sister-in-law Shevardine and nephews Joshua and Luke, so give a shout out to you as well. And thank you to everybody who's been commenting, coming over. There's so many new subscribers, and I'm so happy that you're enjoying the videos. So I'm not doing a shop with me this week. I hope that I can do another one like next week or in a couple of weeks, something like that. So I'm going to get straight into the haul anyway. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I do these types of videos every Friday. So let's get into the video now. So here is the haul. It's all a bit muddled up. We do have a few things left. Can you believe it, from that massive shop that I did when the kids was throwing everything in the trolley last week? I will leave that video above. It's a shop with me with my 2 boys if you want to check that out. So Ryan's got this fruit and fibre here. That's probably for Saturday mornings. 2 Huggies and nappies for Micah. Then he's got these steak medallions, beef medallions, and lean diced beef, and this chicken. So usually he'll cook that up and he'll serve it over 2 days. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oat milks for porridge and also for my coffees in the morning. Some red onions, and then there's vegan bacon, 2 packs of that. He's got these Richmond sausages. I've not had them in ages. I really do like them. Some tofu for me to make I really like making like cube tofu. I'm going to try and put a picture here if I can, with spelt noodles. It's so nice. He's got these French fries and 2 4-cheese pizzas. If you've been on my channel before, I do like making my own pizzas, but I think he's just got these if we're out and just for like a quick dinner for him and the kids. 2 loaves of bread. This is the wholemeal seeded and grain loaf. A bag, I think it's 1.5 kgs of perfectly imperfect mixed berries, so they work out usually cheaper than if you buy the other ones. The mixed peppers, I noticed that, I don't know if it's the same at your Tesco's, but you hardly get any red, whereas in Marks and Spencer's you usually get red and maybe a couple of orange. And then it's got some petit pois and some skinless cod fillets, 2 lots of hummus, curly kale, a broccoli, and a big massive bag of Scottish oats. Sparkling spring water with Vimto, really like having that, especially when it's warm out. Some Vitalite plant-based dairy-free spread, baby plum tomatoes, cucumbers, and a pack of 12 potato waffles. Then at the back there's a vegan mayo. I don't know if I've ever had that one from Heinz before, but I did buy an avocado one actually. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Tomato ketchup, and then that's basmati rice at the back. 3 chickpeas and chopped tomatoes. I'll probably make a chickpea curry. Then he's got this for him and the kids, which is a Galaxy Smooth Caramel. And then this dark one. I think this is accidentally vegan, so I'll have some of that. Another bag of berries because we go through so many. And then I think this is for Ryan, number 3, Colombian. I've still got some coffee left. Then this big massive block of cheese. They like to have sandwiches or grate that on omelettes. We do have some eggs left in the cupboard, that's why we've not bought any this week. Bananas, black pepper, 2 of them. Ryan loves black pepper. And then seasonal salt and paprika and pepper seasonal. And then there's courgettes at the back. I popped into Marks and Spencer the other day. I didn't get loads of stuff and I didn't manage to film it, so I did get this vanilla and coconut pot, this yogurt. I've never had it before. I'm looking forward to having that with some berries, or I like to put it in a smoothie. And then this is what I got from Top Banana. I got my spelt noodles from there as well. And this avocado oil, veganese, yeah, better than mayo. So I'm looking forward to trying this. And I also got some more sauerkraut from there as well. So as I was saying, there are some things left in the cupboard, like soup. Yeah, there's a few different things, but this should last us all for 7 days. Maker.
Why?
So we've just got some frozen cherries, this chocolate oat milk, which is really nice, and then we've got some of the oats. Thank you, Micah. I'm just letting the milk warm up a little bit, because the cherries were frozen. So this is Micah's porridge. He's really excited about eating it. I just wanted to show you this as well, that this isn't sweetened with sugar, it's sweetened with date syrup. So Caleb said he likes the other one better, but I think that this is nice. I can't really taste much difference. It's really, really nice. I would recommend it. I'm having a small bowl of it as well, so it's just a bit blurry. But I've warmed up the chocolate with cherries underneath, and then I've got that muesli mix thing. I prefer it like this instead of having it soggy like that one. This is Ryan's. Have you finished, Michael? Was it nice? Yeah. This is the kids' breakfast today. Is that yours there?
Yeah.
With blueberries, berries, nice strawberries. You love strawberries, don't you? Yeah. It looks super appealing, but it's just oat milk, berries, spelt flakes, and loads of flaxseeds and a little bit of coconut sugar. So this is the honey nut, cornflakes and bananas, soy milk and blueberries. Oats with blueberries, and then this is a blob of this smooth hazelnut chocolate spread, and I've just put some oat milk in it. Made a sandwich with avocado, cucumber, tomatoes, and there's hummus there, so just put that on and then cut it. Caleb's soup in a cup. He likes it in a cup, and he's already started eating some of his cheese and hummus sandwich that he made himself. And Neighbour's going to have tomato soup. So she's already eaten a sandwich, but she's going to have this tomato soup. And Ryan and Mike is going to have the same as well. And I'm having oats for dinner because I've not had any breakfast this morning. So this is Neighbour's lunch today, which is cheese sandwiches, and then we've got soup here. We usually always eat the same thing, but she wanted soup today, but we're going to be having this, what Ryan's just made, which is chickpeas, cavolo, nero, sweetcorn, tomatoes, and then he's making omelette as well. It's lunch today for the kids. It's got toast, egg, yep, omelette. Ryan likes putting coriander on everything, but is it parsley? Michael loves coriander and parsley. Got some lettuce, chickpeas, I can never pronounce this, cavolo, nero, kale, onions, tomatoes and peppers. You gonna go and have your food then? He's got a smoothie all over his face. He's saying the barbecue sauce. You've got toast and hummus, veggie sausages, lettuce, potato waffles, and then you've got vegan bacon as well.
Oh, nice.
Nice, eh? Are you excited? Yeah. You've got the same as well, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you've got some veggies, tomatoes and peppers as well, haven't you? Nice. This is my rye bread, potato waffles, vegan sausage, vegan bacon, and he's got like lettuce leaves, and then he's put like loads of different things in there. Micah?
Egg.
Egg. Are you making scrambled eggs?
Yeah.
And what's Caleb doing?
Chopping some peppers. Mom?
Yeah.
A cheese.
Cheese.
Daddy turkey.
Today is just hummus and cucumber on like a bread like bat, and some nachos, and Caleb's gonna get some olives as well. So this is what they're having for lunch today. So this is the soup that I've made. So it's a leek, potato and kale soup, and then I've made the kids a cheese and cucumber sandwich to hopefully warm them up on this cold day. This is a chickpea, pepper, courgette. I sliced up some mango, tin tomatoes and coconut milk, curry with some basmati rice. Here's everything done. I just got some chives from the garden. Tastes really nice, this meal. So I've got the cavolo, nero, cabbage under there, and the chives on top, and the carrots have gone really nice and roasted, and this tofu, it's all baked and firm now. David's dinner, what Ryan cooked, she's got broccoli, carrots, onions, cavolo, nero, sweetcorn, cod, no it's haddock actually, and rice. Are you happy with that, Neva? Yeah. This is Micah's. There's grated carrots, sauerkraut, lettuce, yeah this is yours, olives, lentils, and then we've got red wild rice. I didn't get this in my Marks and Spencer shop because they don't sell that wild rice in there. I got it from Amazon. This is what's for dinner tonight. Noodles, mushroom sauce, sesame oil, flax seeds, kale, cavolo nero, spring onions, sweet corn, peppers, and cabbage. Yeah, so that's what we're having for lunch today. To say that there's also Chinese 5-spice and smoked garlic in there as well. Oh my gosh, I'm rubbish at chopsticks. So these are the like fish goujons, the vegan ones. I had 3 of them yesterday with fried rice. I know it sounds a bit random, but it tasted really good. So yeah, so I hope you can see it. It's like a mushed texture. Do you know like when you get a fish cake? It's a really nice flavour. The batter kind of tastes like beer batter. I think it's a really good alternative to fish. I tried the they've got like a fish cake kind of one, like a vegan fish cake, and it's got like a creamy sauce in it, and I liked it, but not the creamy sauce so much. So this is a really good alternative, and they're really big, these. Like I could only eat 2 yesterday, and then my son had the other one. I'm having some mushy peas and some veg and some homemade potatoes today, but really nice, and I'll definitely recommend. Here we are sitting outside because it's lovely. We've got my vegan like wings with barbecue sauce, some salad. You gonna sit down a minute, baby? Can't see because I'm in the way. There's some southern fried chicken, the vegan pizza and some fries. Yeah, are you excited, guys? Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. This is the vegan lamb, and you've tasted yours. You like it, don't you, Neva?
Yeah.
This is what it looks like.
Me.
It's really nice.
Tomato sauce, please.
Tastes like tastes very meaty, doesn't it? You can taste the like herbs in it, and Micah's nicking mine now. Do you like it, neighbour? Yeah. Yeah, I would definitely recommend. Has made this, which is like a lamb curry stew type thing with rice, peas, carrots, sweet corn and tomatoes. That's what Ryan and the kids are having. This is chili noodles, homemade curry sauce. It doesn't look amazing here, but it tastes nice, and different veggies, bean sprouts and all that, like stir fry mix. And then this is the same one but with chicken. This light really makes it look bad. So this is Ryan's. Got fish, mushy peas and homemade chips and some bread and butter, and the kids have got the same, but they've just got 1 fillet of fish. Do a nice chicken burger with fries and carrots. Are you excited?
Yeah. No.
This is mine, which is the vegan southern fried chicken, gherkins, vegan mayo, sweet corn, carrots and some fries. So I'm making a vegan chicken kind of stir fry with peppers, kale, carrots, onions, and then that's the vegan chicken. Put a bit of vegetarian mushroom stir fry sauce in. I've got some basmati about to cook. I find it so easy to just make rice. I know this might not be the proper way, but 1 cup of this with 2 cups of water, bring it to the boil, then let it simmer for 10 minutes. It comes out perfect every time. And then I've got curry sauce here. I did want to put it in here, but Neva finds it a bit too spicy. Micah likes it though, so I've made it separate so people can just put on like how much they want. Yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's dished up shortly. This is the vegan chicken curry all dished up. And some buns for tomorrow for jackfruit burgers. Can't get my words out. This is the bread for the pizza, and then me and Mikey, we've made a bit of a mess over here. Did you take you didn't take all the peel off, Micah? I'm just making pizza sauce, so I've got tomato puree, mixed herbs, smoked garlic, you can just use normal garlic, tin of plum tomatoes, and a little bit of coconut sugar and salt. I'm just going to blitz this up and then let it simmer on the hob, and the longer you leave it, thicker it gets and the more tastier it gets as well. Micah's little bunny's there, it's smaller than ours. This is Micah's dinner. We made homemade pizza with the mozzarella, and we've got some chopped peppers and some homemade wedges. He can't wait to have this, and you made it yourself, didn't you, Micah?
Yeah, mine.
Yeah. Today we've got some chips and sweet corn, peppers and carrots, and then I have made like a BBQ jackfruit, and then this is the bun that I've made. So it is rice, and then this is the mushroom and roasted garlic paste, which is accidentally vegan, I think. And I have just put it in here in a pan, and then I've put in this creamy oat, so it's kind of like a nice creamy mushroom garlic sauce. Then I've got 3 different, well no, not 3 different types of mushrooms actually. I've got oyster mushrooms, but some are different shape, and then we've got chestnut mushrooms with red onions, and I just cook them in the oven for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to put them in this sauce. And then I've got some broccoli here, and Ryan's baking some chicken, so they'll have this with the chicken, but I'm just going to have the mushrooms. There's the mushrooms. I've just gone in, just give them a stir, and then it's done. The sauce is hot, you can just leave it to simmer if you want it to thicken up, but that's all done now. I'm just going to wait for the chicken. So if I make something that's new, what the kids have not tried before, usually they like everything, but I'll give them the chance to taste it before dishing up. Do you like it, Neva? No? No, it's not that bad. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So Neva doesn't like it. Micah, do you like it? You want to taste some? Was it nice? Yeah? Do you want some? Do you want some, yeah? Yeah. These are just a bit messy. Well, this is Ryan, and he's got like drumsticks there. Caleb wanted the mushrooms. Neva just wanted chicken and broccoli and rice, which is plain, but I put a bit of sauce on there by accident. Then this is mine with the mushrooms. Yeah, so I've only got mushrooms on mine. And then Micah said he wanted mushrooms, so Ryan's just stripped the chicken for him. Are you excited, Micah?
We're
Yeah. Are you praying or good?
Yeah.
For snack, I'm just chopping up some of this watermelon here. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna dish up the rest for the rest of the family. This is Caleb's piece. So I'm just watching this. If you've not seen our homemaker tag, let me just sort it out. If you have not checked out this video, which is a homemaker tag that I did with some other ladies, then I'm going to link the videos up above if you want to check them out. I'm just going to press that pause for a minute. I have got this vegan chocolate hazelnut spread, and I've just, you know, the pizza dough, there's a little bit left, and they kind of go like pitters. So what I do is I just put a bit of chocolate in there. I don't have any bananas, otherwise I put some bananas in there. So this is just for a little dessert. Okay, so I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!